Okay, now for today, what we're going to do is we're going to configure these units first. Company, company code, sales org, plant, purchase org, storage location, and distribution centers.
अच्छा वलीद, मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी। जी जी।
Okay, so we will first configure company code, sales org, plant, purchase org. Okay, now create a company. What we'll do is we will access SPRO. This is our D code for accessing the configuration. SAP reference IMG. And then the first node is
वेट
enterprise structure.
वेट
Okay.
हमें सबसे पहले किस चीज का एक्सेस करना पड़ेगा? ये हम अभी कर क्या रहे हैं?
Okay. So to access our configuration node, we write SPRO and it takes us to the screen. And over here we have SAP reference implementation guide, IMG. Okay, and this is basically your landscape for configuration. And the first node that we will configure is enterprise structure. Enterprise structure, and in enterprise structure, we will define first. We will define the company, which is, of course, the backbone provided by finance. Okay, we will define a company. We already have this company BBXG, Blue Box Group. Okay, so even if you want to make a new one, for example, BBXG, Blue Box Group. Now, this company is the mother company sitting at the top, and this BBXG Blue Box Street, Main Boulevard, 3595, City, Abu Dhabi, country region AE, language key AED is the currency. If I press enter, there is already a key, but this is the way to actually create company. Okay. Once
ओके,
you,
इसमें कंपनी नेम अलग चीज है और कंपनी जो ऊपर लिखा है वो अलग चीज है।
this is the code for the company, and this is the company name and description, and this is the name of
ठीक।
company two, which can be in another language if the company is operating in multiple jurisdictions or languages. Okay,
ओके।
we will save it and XG. This is our company name, and we have already saved it. Okay.
ओके।
Next is check company code, check edit company code data. BB Group of Industries, BB02, Blue Box Packaging. Okay. Now, for example, I'll do copy as, and let's say BBDS, Blue Box Distribution, Dubai, currency USD. Our mother company's currency was AED, but company code currency is in USD. Enter. Blue
ओके,
Box,
हियर वी आर नाउ मेकिंग सेकंड कंपनी।
no, company code. Company
नो,
code.
फर्स्ट यू हैव मेड वन थिंग ना।
Let me tell you. Blue Box
Was
Distribution.
th- was there was a company as a group, and now this is the distribution. The mother company is in UAE, and the distribution is in US, right?
No, it can be in any country or the same country, but I've only changed the currency. But I will.
Any country wherever we mention,
Uh-huh.
but over here, as we mentioning that it is in US, so it is a sister company. It will come under the same umbrella of Blue Box Packaging Group, right?
Blue Box Group, SDMM config, VAUSNET. Okay, now let me just tell you the relationship first. What is a relationship? Company. Now this is mother company. Okay. Its sole purpose is to extract reports, financial, operational, uh, production, sales, marketing, inventory reports. Okay, even HR. Okay, only reports, nothing else. But where does the operations begin, or where do the operations basically set in or established at? It's in the company code. This is the operational unit which publishes its own financial statements. Okay, financial statements, balance sheet, and
ठीक है
P&L,
जी,
P&L, and uh, cash flow. Okay, and other notes to the financial statements. Right. So a company code is basically operating under the mother company. Okay. Next is under the company code we have plant. Now plant is a unit which produces, stores, moves, inventory, stock, goods. Basically, it's a factory or a storage place. Under plant, we have location of the plant, which is dependent on the plant. Okay. At the same level of the plant is sales org, which will be BB, PG. Plant will be BB, PG. Company code is BBP, BBPG. Okay, and we have BBPS for distribution, packaging and distribution. These are two different units. Okay. Now, sales org, BBPG, and under sales org, we'll have not only we'll have location with plant, we'll have a storage location also dependent on the plant. Okay. Plus, we'll also have purchase org, and that will be again BPG. Under sales org, we'll have distribution centers. Again, that will be BPG. Then we will have sales office, sales area. What else?
Marketing.
No. Sales area, sales office, and there is another unit that I'm forgetting. But anyways, so this is how, okay. But company code and mother company are not directly related, because above the company code, we have another unit which is called controlling area, which is basically for profit center accounting, cost center accounting, product costing, overhead costing, Now, since we are talking about packaging and distribution, these can be our profit centers. Okay, so we don't need another company code. So we will stick with BBPG packaging. Okay. So because packaging and distribution will be our profit centers. Okay, because we want to see what is profitable in our business. Okay. So controlling area controls company codes and multiple company codes, and company code controls plant, sales org, distribution, and stuff like that. Okay, so right now we have configured company code and we have configured mother company. We are not configuring controlling area right now because it has certain conditions that I'll discuss later. So we have PV, PG. Okay, server is gone.
ओके वलीद 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 क्या आप उर्दू में समझा सकते हैं ये चीज?
Mother company is BBXG. Okay, company code is BBPG, which is blue box packaging. Plant is blue box packaging plant. Sales org is BBPG. Again, blue box sales org. Why am I keeping one code? Because it synchronizes everything across the landscape. Okay. Now, if you talk about controlling area, that will be same as BBPG. But under that, we'll have profit centers, packaging and distribution. Okay. And then when we configure sales org, we'll have combination of sales org plus distribution centers plus sales office. Okay. Sales org is PVPG. Our distribution centers will be one, packaging, two, distribution. So your profit centers and distribution centers can be, it's not necessary, same. And sales office is Sharjah. Geographical location, Dubai, Calgary, whatever. Okay, sales office can be your geographical location. So this basically combination becomes sales area. Okay, got it? And I hope this is clear. I'll just copy all this. And I'll copy this and I'll stop the recording.